So in this video I am going to show you how to run HTML file using Tomcat. So make sure to install Tomcat on your Windows and make sure to install Java JDK. So if I open the command prompt and type java space hyphen version, I can see my Java version. Now go to PC, then go to C drive, then go to program files, then go to Apache Software Foundation, then go to Tomcat, then go to web apps and create a folder. I will name it my web app. Go inside the folder, then right click, new text document. Select the document, right click, edit with Notepad++. So now you have to put the HTML code. So once you put the HTML code, click on file, save as, index.html, save as type, hypertext markup language file, save. Now go to browser. Once you go to browser, just type localhost /my-web-app, and you can see it says this is a heading. If I go to my notepad, you can see I have the text inside h1 tag. This is a heading. So in this way you can run HTML file using Tomcat.